Today we are taking a short break from all of the homeschool content because I got a package. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet and I am a stay-at-home homeschooling mom of 3 boys. We have a soon-to-be 8-month-old, if you guys missed that. So I am back to carrying a diaper bag. Now most of my content revolves around, homeschooling my kids, staying at home with them. But for a while, it was all about diaper bags and planners. That's it. So we are back with a diaper bag video. I am going to open this up, turn you guys around, and show you all the pockets and features. So it comes with a cute little duster bag. And this is by Miss Fong. You guys know I love Miss Fong. I've had like 2 different diaper backpacks from them and also their fanny pack. And a huge thank you for Miss Fong for sending this over to me so I can review it for you guys. Ooh, how pretty! Look at that. I love the color. I'm gonna turn you guys around and show you all of the good stuff. Okay, so again, the bag comes with its own duster bag with the little drawstrings. Look how pretty that is. I love the color. So starting off with the outside of the bag, it has this beautiful Miss Fong hardware. All the hardware is gold. Oh yeah, and all of them are nicely protected so that when you get your bag, they're not all scratched up. So I'll have to peel those off. I like these lines there. That's just like the plastic around it. Ooh, and look at all the little details. I don't know if you can see that, but there, like on the side of the zipper, it says Miss Fong. Can you see that? All of them have that. So you have your 2 pretty large straps to fit comfortably under your arm. And then it's got this large zipper pocket that goes across most of the bag. Wow, look how pretty that lining is. The lining is like a really light tan, and my whole hand fits in there. A lot of the times these pockets that go across like the whole diaper bag are really short, like enough for like a phone or a small wallet. But this one would fit, looks like it fits plenty in there. And the zippers look like they work pretty well. It's like the biggest bummer when the zippers like get stuck really easily. So then you have your 2 front pockets here. Again, they go from here all the way to the bottom of the bag. And just so you can see inside the pockets, they're also lined. Okay, so these do kind of because they have this thing, like the zippers kind of sits there differently. It's a different type of zipper. You are gonna have to kind of tug at it or don't open it all the way. And then you have 2 side pockets which are insulated. If you can see that, those are insulated pockets for bottles. Oh, and they're pretty large. I have some pretty large bottles. We really like the Boon bottles, the silicone bottles. So I do need that extra space. Their original like Half Moon diaper backpack didn't give you much wiggle room in these side pockets. And this one, like if you tug at it, like it even is pretty giving, like when you pull at it. So both pockets are insulated. And then when you turn to the back, you have your backpack straps. They're the same material, and then they go on to like that seat belt material at the end, also with a really pretty golden hardware. Now look at this. When I clipped them to put them on, I was not expecting this. You have like this extension here, if you can see that. That it's like that extra detail makes a big difference when you have a diaper bag. You want it to be secure. You don't want it to, like, I don't know, somebody tugs at it a little bit, or if it gets stuck on something and you pull at it, it's just gonna unlatch. And this way, it's not going to, because of that extra extension. Like, you really have to open it. Like, you really have to press that thing down for it to open completely. So it is a convertible backpack, so you can unhook these and tuck them in to this large pocket back here. Now this one has one of those little snap buttons, and it's a pretty large bag. It is very roomy back there. I like that the straps are not super bulky, and they're not super bulky, and they're pretty flexible. Like, they're not super stiff. So when I tuck them in here, like, they're not, I don't know, it doesn't feel super bulky when I put them in there. So and they tuck in really nicely where you can't really see them. Then you also have your half rings up here in case you want to add another strap, maybe for like more of a messenger bag type of thing. Okay, so now let's get into the inside of the bag. Let me snap that in. Oh, it does have it. So it has your little string thing for your key fob or for your key. Then it comes with wowzers. I don't know. I must have not been paying attention when I looked at the pictures. So it comes with your shoulder strap here, so you can carry it sort of like just a tote bag or a messenger bag, crossbody. And again, that extension there hooks on nicely. And then it also comes with your stroller straps. And the stroller straps are that, and the stroller straps are that that seatbelt material. What is this material called? I don't know. But it's got that, and then it's got your the little clamps there. All right. Ooh, and it comes with a diaper change pad. Wow, this is huge. That is a huge changing mat. But it folds up pretty nicely for it to fit neatly down there. So, and you can just snap it in there. It's got that pretty Miss Fong design there. Wow, the surprises just keep on coming. So the inside of the bag, you have lots of pockets. The first one I see is up here, and again, that Miss Fong logo right there. So pretty, so pretty engraved on that there. The zipper, again, the pocket is pretty large. Usually, again, the inside pockets usually are big enough for either your ID or a phone. Like, it's so tiny, and this one goes down pretty deep. My whole hand fits in there again. So we got that. And then we have the two pockets here that do not have a zipper. They're just there. Nice compartments, easy to organize your backpack when there's so many pockets in like this. Then we have another zippered pocket here, and again, this one goes all the way down. The bag, the material inside just feels so nice. It doesn't feel just like regular, like, plastic. It feels really nice and thick. So you have that large zipper there. And then we have two more pockets. We have this one without a zipper that goes all the way down. And then this one that does have a little zipper and also goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. And two more pockets, also insulated. So I don't really care for insulated pockets, but I think it's a nice touch. Nowadays with like all the insulated bottles and things like that, you can get away with it without them, but I appreciate the thought. So yeah, that is so much in one bag. Yeah, so you have your messenger strap, you can just wear it as a shoulder bag with the shoulder straps or a backpack. So very, very versatile. It's so pretty. I love the color. I love that it's not super wide, so when I am wearing it as a backpack, I'm not like bouncing into everything and everyone around me. So I'm super excited to pack this bag. Don't forget to subscribe so you check out how I pack it as a homeschooling mom, soccer mom, boy mom, on the go, everywhere. This is perfect. So I will make sure to share with you how I pack it. And yeah, look at this thing. It also has backpack straps. Let's check it out. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.